This video shows you how to change an impeller on a Tsurumi HS pump. First, remove the 3 bolts around the pump base with a 13mm socket. Lift the pump motor off of the pump casing and set it down on its side. Remove the gasket carefully. Using a channel lock wrench and a 13mm wrench, hold the impeller in place and unscrew the agitator counterclockwise. Remove the spring washer, flat washer, and the impeller. Remove the shaft sleeve. Now you can reassemble the pump with a new impeller. Install the shaft sleeve with the rubber portion facing the pump, then the impeller, then the flat washer and the spring washer, and then attach the agitator. Now hold the impeller in place with a channel lock wrench and screw the agitator clockwise with a 13mm wrench. Attach the gasket. Line the pump casing up with the motor to keep the gasket in place and flip it up. Otherwise, the gasket may fall out of place. Make sure the bolt holes are lined up and install the 3 bolts with a 13mm socket. Finally, plug the pump in to make sure air is coming out and that it runs smoothly.